super stoked to see this happening. This is the lake that I grew up water skiing and wakeboarding at, and I'm so happy to see it be alive again. I have only good things to say about it.
I like that there's some intention for the space. I like that we're using it in a way that would work for a community.
My favorite part was the zip line.
We are at a
Utah Lake.
little farmer's market.
And it's the cutest setting right on the lake. We have enjoyed just walking around, honestly. The scenery is so pretty and there's so many fun booths with lots of yummy food and drinks. The lake looks amazing. People are having so much fun out there and it is just so inviting. A very happy place to be. We love it.
We do fun games, like we saw a playground, stuff like that.
If we had friends that asked to come here, we would for sure tell them to come join and come enjoy the atmosphere, hang out. So.
For sure. Would definitely recommend.
The funnest thing I've done would have been getting the 3D printed thingy at the June Sector thing.
Coming out here, it's actually nice. We come out here, we get a lot of white bass, crappie, catfish. It's a nice time for everybody in the family, for sure.
Utah Lake rocks.
Right here, we got Ari's fresh lemonade. You should get
Delish.
some, it's delicious.
Yummy.
There are so many views to look at. It's very family friendly. There's a rock wall here. I think I've heard there's a boat race, but it's super fun for kids.
So this is our cardboard barge / boat race.
Yep, not a lot of planning went into it. We're anticipating a lot of problems. If it's still floating at the end, that's going to be winning to us.
Build a boat or barge out of cardboard and duct tape, and then they have one member of their team sit in it and paddle it, and they race out to a point in our lagoon here to a buoy, and then they have to come back. Of course, the challenge is, will your cardboard boat hold up to the water?
I liked all the different people coming by being so curious about all these different mushrooms that I have, engaging with different local people.
My favorite thing is really honestly just being out on the lake. I think it's a really unique spot and fun to be out here, fun to see people come out.
It's super nostalgic to see my kids here and enjoying the same things that I did as a kid.